Good day everyone. In this video, tuturuan kayo sa mga parts ng maneuvering board. Ito pala yung naka-display ngayon is the maneuvering board na gagamitin natin in manual radar plotting. Okay, let's start with yung pinakamalaking part niya. Here we can see itong bilog na to. This is your compass rose. Okay? So sa compass rose na yan, meron tayong distance and bearings na nakalagay. So, kung i-zoom in natin, we can zoom in. Kita natin tong numbers dito. Ito na yung may 2, 3, 4, 5, yan. And yan, mga numbers na yan. 7, 8, 9, 10. So, yan yung magiging distance scale mo. No? May distance scale. Ang pinaka distance mo dyan is yung every rings na to is 1 mile. Yun yung 1:1 na scale. Okay, 1:1. Pag sinabi nating 1:1, yung isang ring na yan, isang ring na to is 1 nautical mile. Okay, so yan yung default or yan yung default setting ng compass rose na yan. So 1:1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Hanggang 10. So, yung compass rose na to, meron siyang 10 nautical miles. Okay? 10 nautical miles. Now, we can see here, meron din tayo mga bearings. Yan. So, this is from north up. Parang naka-north up display siya. So, 0, 10, 20. Yan yung mga bearings. Okay? So, yan yung compass rose na may distance and bearing. Okay, yan yun. Now, let's go to the other parts. Ito yung scale. Okay. Scales naman. So, pag sinabing 2:1, meron kayong 2:1, 3:1. Ito din scale, 4:1. Then, 5:1. So, meron tayong 4 na scale. So, sample, sa problem, meron 12 nautical miles. Kasi dito, kung 1:1 gagamitin natin, it only is up to 10 nautical miles. So, what if yung problem mag-involve na ng 15? Mag-involve na ng 20 nautical miles. Dun papasok si scales natin. Okay? So, yung scale na yan, dito tayo magsusukat ng distance. Distance scale to. Okay? So, pag sinabi nating 2:1, so, meron dito 0, 1, 2. So, yung magiging basis na ng distance mo is dito sa scale na to. So, sample, pinasulat sa'yo yung, yung distance na 15 or 20 nautical miles. So, dito, kung 1:1 gagamitin mo, hindi mo masusulat yon. Now, dito ka na. Okay? So, this is the 20. Ito yung 20. Ito yung length ng isang 20 nautical miles. Now, you measure that. Ayan, 20. Tapos, lilipat mo dito. Okay? So, yung 20 nautical miles mo, yan na yun. Ganun kahaba. So, sample, gusto mo ng 15 or 16 nautical miles. So, 16. Lagay mo dyan. Yan. 16 nautical mile na yan. Okay? So, kung lalagpas sa 10 nautical miles. So, kung sabihin ng instructor nyo na you use the 2:1 scale. So, dito ka na magbe-base ng mga distance mo. 3:1 scale. Doon ka na magbe-base sa distance mo. Okay? So, yun yung isang part. No? Pangalawang part. So, we have the compass rose, which consists of the bearing and distance. So, yung distance nun is 1:1. And then you have the distance scales. 2:1, 3:1, 4:1, and 5:1. Now, let's go to the bottom part. So, meron ditong, ang tinatawag natin dito is nomogram. So, this is a logarithmic time, speed, and distance scale. So, ito, meron kang time in minutes na scale dyan. We also have the distance in scale. And then you have the speed in knots. So, paano ba gamitin si nomogram? So, sample, you have 15 minutes in time or 20 minutes. Tapos na travel niya is 2 miles. Ito, 2. Makita natin dito. Ito yung time in minutes, time in distance in mile, and then speed. So, malalaman mo yung speed basta given si time and the distance, diba? Speed equals distance over time. So, ngayon, kung meron kang time, so sample lang naman, 20 minutes na time, tapos nag-travel siya ng 2 miles na distance. So, ilan ba yung speed niya? So, gaganon ka lang, you make a straight line. 20 minutes in 2 miles in 20 minutes. So, the speed is probably, 6 to 7 knots. Okay? So, kung isosolve mo yun, bring up your calculator. Kung magsosolve ka, you're gonna be having 2 miles, divide mo sa 20 minutes, 0.1 times mo sa 60 para convert to hours. So, you have 6 nautical miles per hour or 6 knots. So, ayun. Ganun lang. So, dito sa logarithmic scale, iguguhit ka lang naman. Then, yun. 6 knots. Ito yung magiging sagot mo. Diba? So, madali lang. So, kaya importante na yung maneuvering board na kukunin nyo, hindi distorted. Kasi, pag distorted yun, tapos gumamit ka ng nomogram, it's, yun, medyo magkakamali kayo doon. Okay? So, ganun lang naman. I will dive deeper pagka nandun na tayo. So, for this video lang naman is parts lang. So, you now know, meron tayong tatlong part. Meron tayong compass rose, which consists of the bearing and the distance. We have distance scales, and the nomogram. Nandito sa baba yung nomogram. Okay? So, that's all for this video.
Subscribe to my channel.